Can anyone write perfectly without spelling and grammatical errors? No. The editors, journalists, and other native speakers I used to work with actually still make spelling or grammatical errors when writing. It doesn't matter how long you've been learning English, some errors are still part of your life. But you can use some tools to eliminate those errors and keep your writing professional. Here are some tools I've used. Grammarly. This is a powerful grammar tool. It checks your writing and suggests corrections for errors. It offers an explanation for those corrections. You may copy and paste your text into the desktop version of Grammarly, or you may install an extension on the browser. When you are writing an email or blog, it will highlight errors by underlining them in red. Scribens. It's a free tool. It allows you to check hundreds of grammar, spelling, and style errors. It corrects 10 times more errors than Microsoft Word. You can change settings to either British English or American English vocabulary. Quillbot. If you are not confident about what you've written, Quillbot helps paraphrase your sentences. It has caught more grammar errors than the basic grammar checker in Microsoft Word. Just copy your text in here and click paraphrase. It shows you a better way to put your thoughts into words. Ginger. Ginger corrects mistakes in words, grammar, and punctuation. It helps improve your English by showing the synonyms and why you should use particular words. Language tool. It checks grammar, style, and spelling in many languages like English, German, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. While AI programs are good at finding grammar issues, they're still imperfect. If I copy the text written by George Orwell, who was one of the best writers of the 20th century, grammar checkers still suggest changes. That means these suggestions are not 100% right. So, as a writer, you need to decide whether the corrections make sense for your article. Thanks for watching. I'm Xiaobing Bao. See you next time.